I posted over 300 different outfits on my YouTube channel and in the LTK app in 2025, and I'm going to share the top 25 out of over 300 items, and I'm going to share the top 25 best-selling items in this video, along with 2 items that I actually regret buying personally. Now, there's only 2 because honestly, every single thing I post on my channel or on my LTK page or on Instagram, I personally truly love. So you will understand why these 2 items didn't work out for me when I share more about them later on in the video. I'll share one of them in the middle of the video and then one of them at the end of the video. I also want to take a moment and just thank you so much. I have so much gratitude and so much appreciation for every single person that has ever watched any of my videos, for all of you that shop off of my links. I truly wouldn't be here without you. I wouldn't be able to be divorced and financially independent if it weren't for all of you. So from the bottom of my heart, thank you, thank you, thank you, thank you also for coming along my dating journey. I went on lots of dates in 2025. I'm going to continue to date in 2026, and I have learned lots of lessons and lots of things. So if you're interested in my dating life as well, definitely hit that little subscribe button because you won't want to miss any videos in 2026. Okay, let's get to it. Item number 1 is the brown L'Agence belt. I absolutely love this belt. It is gorgeous. It is stunning. It automatically elevates any outfit, which is why it was not a surprise that it was one of my top 25 best sellers. This belt comes in multiple colors. I also own the black version with the gold buckle. Every time I wear the brown one though, honestly, people stop me, they compliment it, and they want to know where they can also get their hands on it. So this L'Agence belt, absolutely stunning, and I promise you, if you decide to grab it for yourself, it will elevate every outfit because, like I always say, adding a belt to any look is a surefire way to bring it to the next level. Item number 2 are these Pistola wide leg jeans, and I will have to say I'm not surprised because out of all the wide leg denim I own, and yes, I own a lot of denim, I may or may not be a denim addict. Anybody else, leave me a comment down below and let me know. But these are probably my favorite top 2 favorite wide leg jeans because they are high-waisted. They also have this really cool raw edge hem, so they're a little bit edgy, which matches my personal style perfectly, and they're actually very comfortable, which is something that is very important to me when I choose my denim. They have to be comfortable, or I know they will just sit in my closet and I will not wear them. Okay, item number 3 is the cubic zirconia tennis necklace from Nordstrom. I'm actually wearing it right now. I love this necklace. I always wear this neck stack of 3 sort of layered together. That's one of the biggest style tips I share on my channel, is basically wearing a scoop neck or a V-neck of some sort and then adding a neck stack. A couple reasons this works is because number 1, it's going to elongate your silhouette because it shows off your décolleté and it just sort of elongates this top portion of your body. Number 2, anytime you add jewelry or accessories like a neck stack, it just automatically brings interest and elevates your outfit. So this cubic zirconia necklace, it looks real. The price point is amazing and it's like a no-brainer. You can literally put it on with anything and instantly look polished and put together. Item number 4 are these Veronica Beard silver slides. These actually come in like 8 to 9 different colors, if you can believe that. They're extremely comfortable. I'm not a person who wears a ton of flats, but in the summertime, I do love wearing a flat summer slide. These are so fabulous because they do not slip off of your feet, which I love, and I also love the gold and silver metallic mixed metal happening. These actually go with so many different things. I think I'm gonna grab another color come spring because they are so comfortable, and like I said, they go with everything. Item number 5 would be these girlfriend high-waisted boot cut jeans. These actually come in 4 different colors. I love these. I'm wearing the light version here. The light version doesn't have a ton of sizes left. However, the darker color, like this darker denim, does. And let me tell you that high-waisted flare jeans are definitely going to be trending hard in 2026. In fact, I did an entire video on the top denim trends of 2026, so I will link that down below because if you love jeans as much as I do, you will for sure want to check that out. Item number 6 is another pair of jeans. No surprise, because as you know, I wear denim a lot, and these are the Mother Hustler wide leg flare jeans. I have them in the blue version and I have them in the black version. Right now, I want to talk about the black version. They're probably my favorite ones. If I had to pick between the blue and the black, I love the faded black because they're edgy and they go with so many different things. These are so incredibly comfortable. They're high-waisted. They have a floor skimming hemline, which is the perfect formula for making yourself look taller and slimmer. And these are probably my most worn jeans of the moment. In fact, I'm going over to my friend Kathy's house tonight for Christmas Eve, and I will probably be wearing these jeans with this fun Zara jacket, which I will for sure link down below as well. Item number 7 are these Veronica Beard white sneakers. I love these. I love them so much that I have them in the tan color as well. These are so incredibly comfortable. They have a hidden platform, so they will actually make you look a little bit taller than you really are. These also come in several different colors. I wear these all the time, like on the weekends, to run errands, when I want to look cute, but also be comfortable. These are literally the perfect answer. I love sneakers, and it's a good thing that sneakers are actually trending really hard right now because these are so stylish and, like I said, so insanely comfortable. So I wasn't surprised one bit. They were top sellers. Item number 8 are these low heels by Dolce Vita. They have like a mesh material on the top. They also have a pointy toe, so they elongate your legs. And the good news is the heel height is literally like 2 inches or under. I also own the leopard version of these. These are probably my number 1 most comfortable heel, hands down, no question about it, which is also why they're my number 1 heels that I wear most often, because they're the most comfortable. Item number 9, and these would be my number 1 pick for a date night jean. These are my absolute favorite jeans to wear on a date night. These are called the Mother Hustler ankle jean. I love the fact that they hit right below the ankle bone, so they allow you to show off your favorite pair of heels. Very tastefully sexy. This faded black wash is everything, very edgy and on trend. They're high-waisted. They're extremely comfortable because they do have a bit of stretch in them. I absolutely love these jeans. I also own them in like the vintage blue version, which I absolutely love and wear those a ton as well. Item number 10 are these stunning Jeffrey Campbell pony hair mules. I love these. These remind me of some Saint Laurent heels, but they're a fraction of the price because they are by Jeffrey Campbell. Every time I wear these heels, I just feel luxurious. I feel like I make my outfit look expensive, even though these shoes are not expensive, like I said. Also, they have a pointy heel, and the heel height is reasonable, so they're actually pretty wearable and fairly comfortable. Item number 11 is this gorgeous L'Agence faux fur jacket. I love this faux fur jacket. Anything faux fur, I'm a big fan. Every time I wear faux fur, I just feel luxurious and expensive and classy. So this jacket, it actually looks like real mink. In fact, I got stopped in Whole Foods the other day. I had it on because, hey, what better place to wear a faux fur jacket than the grocery store? You can dress up when you go to the grocery store. Am I right? Honestly, I wore it with sweats when I went to the grocery store, but that's another story. Item number 12, and this is a great outfit to travel in, and that is the Beyond Yoga trousers. These come in several different colors. In fact, I'm thinking about doing another travel video of items I love and don't love to travel in. So leave me a comment down below if you'd like me to make that video. Just comment the word travel and I will absolutely get that done for you. But these trousers are fantastic because number 1, they're wrinkle free. Number 2, they have pockets, and number 3, they have an elastic waist, so they're extremely comfortable and they look way chicer than if you were to wear leggings to the airport. And the good news is they're just as comfortable as leggings. Now, let me talk about the item that I wished I hadn't bought in 2025. The first item, because like I said, I have 2. This is the Kate studded belt. I love this belt. It's not that I don't love this belt. That's not why I regret buying it. I regret buying it because right after I bought it and it was too late to return it, I found a great similar belt on the Madewell website that was also black and studded, and so I didn't have to pay the price of the Kate belt. I could have just gotten the Madewell belt, but oh well, that's okay. I'm just gonna hold on to this because it is fabulous. It definitely brings any look to the next level, but maybe next time I will wait a little bit longer and check some other designers that aren't so premium, because I always like finding good deals, and trust me, every single time I find a good deal, I will always share it with y'all. All right, item number 13 is this Quince brown cashmere sweater. I love the fact that you can sort of wear it off the shoulder. You could also wear it regular. It is real cashmere. It is so extremely soft. It looks expensive, but it's not expensive because it's from Quince, which is why I love it so much, and y'all did too. Item number 14 are these A Gold E light wash pinch waist jeans. These are a high-waisted straight leg silhouette with a longer ankle length, so they still allow you to show off your favorite pair of heels. In the spring and summertime, these are my favorite date night jeans, but like I said earlier, the black mother jeans are my favorite date night jeans in the winter and fall. These are so comfortable, and the reason they're so slimming is because they're so high-waisted. I am obsessed with these jeans. I literally wear them all the time. Item number 15 is this leopard faux fur jacket. I love the fact that it's cropped. It is also brown and black like color combination, so it looks way more expensive than it really is. And another thing that's trending hard right now and will still be trending in 2026 is anything leopard. So this jacket is not only very fabulous and very comfortable, it is also very on trend. Item number 16 are these Quince dark wash high-waisted straight leg jeans. I absolutely love these jeans. These are $50 if you can believe that. I own the frame jeans that look identical to these, this like dark denim with the camel stitching, and I honestly like the Quince ones better. And the frame ones are over $200, and like I said, these are 50 bucks. So run, don't walk to grab these, because these were definitely one of my most worn jeans in 2025, and I know I will continue to wear them in 2026 because they are that good. I styled them with this beautiful Quince real leather bomber jacket. This jacket is fabulous. Again, real leather, buttery soft, very polished, very chic. Such a timeless piece that you'll be able to wear so many different ways. Item number 17 are these beautiful brown suede knee-high boots. I love these because they do have a pointy toe. They also have a low heel, so they are very wearable and very comfortable. I just think anytime you wear a suede knee-high boot, you just automatically look luxurious and you look classy and you look polished. And these did not disappoint, so I'm not surprised that y'all loved them as much as I did. Item number 18 are the Mother Hustler jeans in the blue version. These are also high-waisted with a floor skimming hemline and a wide leg silhouette, so very on trend, extremely slimming, and they're very comfortable because they have stretch in them. I love these jeans. I wear these jeans to church. I wear them out at night. Literally, I wear them to lunch. I wear them on date nights. I wear them on girls' nights out. Like, they're so versatile because of this dark wash. And again, they're so incredibly comfortable. So I find myself reaching for them all the time. I paired it with this fun navy blue faux fur jacket and a brown bodysuit for an easy and effortless night out outfit. Item number 19 is this black Simone Miller button down. I own this button down in white as well. It's very tastefully sexy. I love the fact that it's got a really cool cutout in the back. It looks great paired with cutoffs for a little bit of a different look. If you want to look edgy and sexy in the summertime, this button down is your answer. Item number 20 is this gorgeous Quince maxi skirt. This is a champagne color. I love this light, beautiful shade. So perfect for spring and summertime. This skirt by Quince, it is wrinkle-free, it is high-waisted, it is a statement maker because it is a maxi length. And again, Quince makes some of the absolute best silk on the market for the best price. Item number 21 is this Quince ribbed sweater. I love this sweater because it is comfortable. It's the perfect thing to wear alone, but then you can also pair it easily underneath jackets because it is not bulky. It does come in several different colors. I think I might have already said that. The price point is amazing, and I just love it so much. And because it's from Quince, it is such a great price. I paired it with the Quince brown real leather bomber jacket. This one is a bit oversized, so very like cool girl / it girl vibes. Love this bomber jacket. I know I will continue to be wearing it in 2026, no doubt. Item number 22 are these Quince straight leg jeans. Again, $50. They come in tons of washes. I talked about the dark wash earlier. Love these jeans. Probably one of my most comfortable jeans in my closet. I would absolutely travel in these jeans. And again, you can order them in different lengths. I am 5'4" and I always order the 28-inch length, which brings me to the other item that I regret ordering in 2025. And that is these Quince barrel jeans. Now, I love the Quince barrel jeans because they are a minimal barrel jean. They are not over exaggerated. However, I ordered them too short. I ordered the 26-inch length, and I should have ordered the 28-inch length because, again, I am 5'4", and I guess I had forgotten in that moment. And so they're a little bit too short. They don't look that good on me. I feel like they would look better if they were longer. So I went ahead and ordered the longer version. I'm probably just going to give these to Goodwill or whatever, although you can DM me if you want them and I'll mail them to you. Item number 23 is the perfect date night top. This one is by Naked Wardrobe. It is $68. I own the chocolate brown one and I own the burgundy one. Both absolutely beautiful colors. It comes in black too as well, but I love this shirt because it's sort of off the shoulder. It's also got a lot of ruching going on. It's extremely soft. It feels good on my skin, and it's like the perfect top to pair with denim, and you look polished and put together, but you didn't have to try that hard. Item number 24, and this is a casual item perfect for travel. These are the wide leg Spanx pants. I love these because they have an elastic waist. They also have pockets. They come with the black zip top that matches. I wear them typically with a bodysuit, and then I'll put on like a fabulous faux fur jacket or a jean jacket to keep them a little bit more modern. And then I always love to wear them with sneakers. These are so comfortable. They feel like pajamas, and anytime I'm traveling or just lounging around the house or even out and about running errands, these are my go-to pants. They also come in like, I don't know, 8 or 10 different colors. I'm thinking about ordering the navy blue because I love this black so much. And item number 25 is my ivory East-West handbag. I love this handbag. I own it in chocolate brown as well. It's the perfect size. You can carry it during the day, but it's also small enough and chic enough that you can carry it in the evenings as well. It is real leather. It looks expensive, but because it is by this really cool brand called Frisia New York, sold on the Revolve website, it's actually a very reasonable price for a real leather handbag. Please let me know what your favorite item was, and maybe something that you've actually purchased from my channel and absolutely loved. If you'll leave it down below in the comments, I would really appreciate it. Also, please let me know of some new video topics. I'm going to try to make video topics on honestly anything y'all want in 2026 because I am here to serve you. The reason I started my channel is to help women over 40 simply feel better about themselves, and I do that by teaching you to dress better. And I always love sharing my dating life too because that's something that's just happening to me right now organically in my life. So I'm also going to try to be more vulnerable in 2026 because I really want y'all to get to know the real Heather, not just like the Heather that shows up on camera. So for more style information, you can head over to my blog, soheather.com, and on Instagram, I am soheatherblog. And in case no one has told you today, I love you, you're amazing, and I think you're wonderful just the way you are. I will look forward to seeing you in my next video. Bye-bye.